In everything that we do, from our personal practice to our personal relationships to friendships and everything in between, we are always focused on addressing objections before it all blows up. In our practice, from the moment somebody walks in the front door, all the way through their tour, all the way through their doctor's report and their report of findings, our goal is to answer questions, speak to what they're already thinking. For example, they're thinking, look at this facility, it's gonna be expensive. Look at this office. You know, they're gonna look at all these people. They're coming in. They're going really quickly. They're not spending a lot of time with the doctor. Oh my gosh! You know, I heard once you start chiropractic, you have to what? Always do chiropractic. So through the process of their day one experience, through their process, the report of findings, and every time they're in there getting adjusted, we're setting expectations. We're answering objections before they become a problem and it's too late. We want to speak to what we know they're thinking, bridge the gap, help them understand with more depth and certainty that exactly what we're going to do is going to benefit their life, but we want to address the objections so that we can get them to the point where we can actually take care of them. You can utilize this strategy in relationships, whether it's a friendship or a marriage. You can utilize this strategy in any form of business. The goal is to make sure that you address the objection for the consumer so that you actually have an opportunity to provide whatever service you have for them.